Hello everyone, I'm Aisha and you are tuned in to the 566th episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today, we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry, so let's dive right in. Let's begin with a revolutionary shift in health insurance as reported by the Economic Times. The Cashless Everywhere initiative is transforming how policyholders access healthcare. Traditionally, cashless claims were limited to network hospitals. But now, with this facility, you can avail cashless treatment at any hospital, even if it is outside your insurer's network. This move, spearheaded by the General Insurance Council, aims to simplify the claims process and reduce out-of-pocket expenses. It is a major leap toward universal accessibility, ensuring that policyholders are not restricted by hospital tie-ups during emergencies. Next up, the Hindu Business Line brings us an insightful piece on interpreting health insurance claims data. Claims data is a key indicator of how reliable a health insurer is when it comes to settling claims. According to IRDAI's annual statistics, public sector insurers have the highest claims paid ratio at 96%, followed by standalone health insurers at 89% and private general insurers at 85%. However, public insurers often handle government schemes, which can skew these numbers. Quarterly disclosures offer more current insights, including the percentage of claims settled in cashless mode. A common 7 to 10% cash lag is seen due to non-reimbursed consumables unless specific riders are added. The incurred loss ratio, or ILR, which compares claims paid to premiums collected, also helps assess how efficient an insurer is. Public insurers had an ILR of 103%, while individual policies averaged 88%. In short, when choosing a policy, look beyond premiums. Check claims paid ratios, repudiation rates, and cashless settlement data to make an informed decision. Moving on to a tech-forward update from Sahyadri Startups. SBI General Insurance has launched a health scanning feature on its mobile app using biometric technology. With just a face or finger scan, users can access vital health metrics like heart rate, oxygen levels, and more instantly and contact-free. This innovation reflects the growing synergy between digital health and insurance, encouraging proactive wellness monitoring. It is not just about claims anymore, it's about preventive care and empowering users to take charge of their health. And finally, a story from DevDiscourse that blends tradition with technology. The Ayush sector, Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha, or homeopathy is undergoing a digital transformation. With initiatives like Ayush Grid, the government is working to digitize patient records, standardize treatment protocols, and integrate Ayush with mainstream healthcare. This digital push not only enhances accessibility, but also builds credibility and trust in alternative medicine. For insurers, it opens up new avenues for Ayush coverage, making holistic wellness more inclusive and data-driven. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these news updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast, Here and Now, will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.